Subscribe to Lavin Love and turn on the bell icon so that you never miss any of my updates when I upload a video.
Or can apply as pack and can use as night cream as well, and you can store this up to 4. Hey guys, welcome back to Lavin Love. So today's video is all about a beautiful white fluffy cream and also a session of #beauty from waste, which means enhancing our beauty from waste like waste food items, etc., which is also eco-friendly and cost-effective. Also, on the basis of this cream, there are many things coming up. Alright, let's get into the video now. All that we need for this is a couple of things, that's it. That is cooked rice paste, and milk. So this is leftover cooked rice, which means waste, and hence the name Beauty from Waste. And now adding it into the blender like so, and gonna blend it into smooth paste. If required, can add a little bit of raw milk to this and blend it. And now let's make this beautiful fluffy cream. I already have another video on white fluffy cream on the same session, that is #beauty from waste. If you wish to watch, can click here or can check the description as well. Alright, this is how the cooked rice paste look like. And adding 2 spoons of the same into the bowl. And mixing it a little bit. And this is raw milk, which means not the boiled one. And adding the same into this rice paste. Can add a little bit if required. And mixing it really well. And finally, your beautiful white and fluffy massage cream is ready, guys. Like, you can use this in as many as ways you can or you want. You can use this as a massage cream, as a scrub, or can apply as pack, and can use as night cream as well. And you can store this up to 4 to 5 days in the refrigerator. On regular usage, your skin starts feeling the difference. It improves the texture of your skin, reduces pigmentation, acne scars, etc. So what are you waiting for? Do give it a try. It's very easy and effective. And one more thing, something exciting is coming before this Independence Day on my channel. So stay tuned for it without fail. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope you'll enjoy this video. If so, give a like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell and follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, where I'll be posting some interesting stuffs apart from this. Also check out my website. All the links are provided in the description. See you all in my next video. This is Lavanya winding up. Thanks for watching. Bye.